Welcome to Health Views, where we uncover simple, science-backed strategies to transform your health, one step at a time. Meet Sarah, 52, who was told she needed dialysis within months because her kidney function had dropped to just 28%. Her doctor gave her little hope, until she discovered 3 specific fruits that changed everything. Within 90 days of adding these fruits to her morning routine, her kidney function improved to 45%, enough to avoid dialysis completely. Today I'm sharing exactly what she ate, when she ate it, and how you can do the same starting tomorrow morning. The silent kidney crisis. After 40, that no one's talking about. What if I told you that right now, your kidneys might be functioning at only half their capacity without you feeling a single symptom? By age 50, most people have already lost 30% of their kidney function, and they have no idea. This silent decline is happening to millions of adults over 40, and most won't discover it until it's too late. Every day, you might be unknowingly damaging your kidneys through habits you think are harmless. That occasional ibuprofen for your backache? It could be slowly eroding your kidney function. Not drinking enough water throughout the day? Your kidneys are struggling to filter toxins without adequate hydration. Even that processed food in your pantry likely contains hidden ingredients that force your kidneys to work overtime. Here's the most alarming part. Most doctors won't detect kidney problems until you've already lost 50 to 60% of your kidney function. By then, conventional medicine often considers the damage irreversible. The statistics are shocking. Kidney disease rates have doubled in adults over 40 in the last 2 decades alone. Just ask Robert, a 48-year-old construction worker who discovered his stage 4 kidney disease during a life insurance physical. By then, his only options were dialysis or transplant. Your kidneys are incredible organs that filter about 200 quarts of blood daily, removing waste and toxins to keep your body in balance. But as we age, this filtering system becomes less efficient and more vulnerable to damage. 5 common daily habits are silently destroying kidney function in adults over 40. Excessive protein consumption, yes, even that protein shake you love. Chronic dehydration, regular use of NSAIDs like ibuprofen, uncontrolled blood sugar, and high sodium intake. The warning signs are there, but most people miss them. Persistent fatigue, puffy eyes in the morning, frequent urination at night, and swollen ankles. These symptoms are too often dismissed as just getting older. That's exactly what happened to Sarah, our 52-year-old kidney patient, who discovered she had stage 3 CKD during a routine physical. Besides occasional tiredness that she attributed to her busy schedule, Sarah had no obvious symptoms. But here's the good news. Recent research from the Journal of Nephrology shows that specific plant compounds can actually regenerate kidney tissue and restore filtering capacity, even in people with advanced kidney damage. These remarkable compounds are concentrated in 3 specific fruits that most people walk right past in the grocery store. The 3-fruit morning routine that saves Sarah from dialysis. Those 3 overlooked fruits contain specific compounds that target the root causes of kidney damage at a cellular level. When Sarah incorporated them into her morning routine, something happened that her doctor called medically impossible. Her kidney function increased from 28% to 45% in just 3 months. Could your morning routine be the key to saving your kidneys too? When Sarah first heard about these fruits, she wasn't convinced. Her nephrologist had already prepared her for the reality of dialysis. With her kidney function at a dangerously low 28%, her options seemed limited. I told myself I had nothing to lose, Sarah explained. If there was even a small chance these fruits could help, I had to try. Let me walk you through the exact 3-fruit protocol Sarah followed every morning. First, cranberries became her new breakfast staple. These small red powerhouses contain unique compounds called proanthocyanidins that act like a protective shield for your urinary tract. Unlike antibiotics, which kill bacteria indiscriminately, these compounds prevent harmful bacteria from attaching to the walls of your urinary tract, dramatically reducing infection risk that can further damage compromised kidneys. Sarah consumed half a cup of fresh cranberries or 4 ounces of unsweetened cranberry juice each morning without fail. Next came watermelon, nature's kidney flushing miracle. Not only is watermelon 90% water, providing gentle, continuous hydration throughout the morning, it's also packed with the amino acid citrulline. This remarkable compound does double duty. It helps your kidneys flush out toxins more efficiently while simultaneously relaxing your blood vessels to improve circulation to these vital organs. Sarah added 1 cup of fresh watermelon chunks to her morning routine daily. The final piece of Sarah's kidney healing protocol was perhaps the simplest. Half a lemon in warm water first thing every morning. Lemons contain citric acid, which prevents calcium crystals from binding together, the primary cause of painful kidney stones. Even more importantly, citric acid creates an alkaline environment in your body that significantly reduces kidney inflammation, giving these organs the chance to repair themselves. Sarah combined these 3 fruits into a simple 5-minute morning routine. The results? Within just 2 weeks, her energy levels began to climb, and the swelling around her ankles started to disappear. By day 30, her lab markers showed meaningful improvement, and at the 90-day mark, her kidney function had risen to 45%, enough to completely avoid dialysis. Now that you know these 3 powerful fruits can transform your kidney health, it's time to take action. The remarkable truth is that your kidneys have regenerative potential, even in your 50s and beyond. This isn't about managing decline. It's about actually reclaiming what conventional medicine often dismisses as lost forever. Start simple. Choose just 1 fruit from our kidney healing trio tomorrow morning. That single step creates momentum toward healing. Remember where Sarah began, facing dialysis with critically low kidney function, yet she turned it around with consistent daily action. To track your progress effectively, regular monitoring is essential. Blood tests measuring serum creatinine and BUN levels provide crucial insights into your kidney performance. Your kidney restoration journey starts with your very next meal. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making any changes to your diet or health routine. If you found this information helpful, let me know how you plan to incorporate these fruits into your routine. I'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences.